How to deactivate Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Now, deactivating Instagram account is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is, after the latest update, as you know, there's no any option to find deactivate or delete option on Instagram app itself. Now, however, if you can find it, it'll be quite tricky. So here is how you can do it without having to go through any trickiest methods. All you can do is simply head into your phone browser, any browser on your device, and then search in for instagram.com. And there what you want to do is log into your account here on Instagram web browser. Now on browser, once you log into your Instagram, you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, once on your profile, what you want to do is tap on the edit profile option that you can see at the screen. Simply tap on edit profile here, and if you scroll all the way down below here on your edit profile option, you'll find the option temporarily deactivate my account. Simply tap on temporarily deactivate my account here, and here if you scroll down below, it'll ask you why are you deactivating account. Simply select any option you want and then scroll down and type in your password here, and then scroll down and you'll find at the bottom of your screen to temporarily deactivate account. Simply tap on temporarily deactivate my account there, and your account will be deactivated. So this way you can deactivate your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.